Hi, happy souls. Today I am very excited to know one more knowledge from our Jagadish sir to share with our viewers. Hi, sir.
Hi.
We are all eagerly waiting for today's knowledge session.
So there are four types of people. First one is no start. They get motivated, they learn lot of things, but they don't take any action at all. Second category. These people are kickstart. Someone has to push them, someone has to pull them, someone has to guide them. Then they might take an action. Then third category. These people are called self starters. Suddenly, one day they realize, they understand where they are, and immediately they start taking actions. Okay, these people are called self starters. And fourth category, these are the people who are ruling the world. Restart. No matter how many times they fall, how many times they fail, they never give up. That is what makes them the restarters. They keep on restarting again and again and again and again until they see their success. So if you are part of restart category, or if you want to be part of restart category, we help you to develop that kind of mindset. So wherever you are, no start, self start, or kick start, we help you to erase your worry lines and achieve your goals. So these are the four kinds of people who are there, who are struggling to achieve success, and some people on the process of achieving success. And restart people are the only people who have already achieved the success or who will achieve the success.
How a person can identify where I am standing, which category I am falling into, sir?
Okay, for example, if a person is not taking any action, he is telling to everyone, hey, tomorrow I will do this, I will do these things. The next day he is not taking any action. He belongs to the no starters category. Means he keeps on talking, but he won't take any action at all. Okay, just he will be expecting miracles to happen. That won't happen in anyone's life. And if a person is ready to take action, if someone is there, you might have seen, like in some of the companies, if they are working with a team, okay, then they are very excited to work. If they are alone, they won't do anything. If they are with a team or with group of people, then they can do something. So these people are called kickstarters. Means someone has to push them, and some people will be there. Last year they were completely depressed. Suddenly after 1 year you see them, total transformation is there. So self starters are the people who learn and realize, after that they go ahead. So these people come to this category called self starters. And restarters are the people, no matter what it takes, they keep growing, they keep improving, and they never care about proving. They always restart, they don't give up. These are the people who belong to never give up attitude.
Sir, actually, many of the people they want to be successful,
Yeah,
but they don't know how to overcome this situation. They may be having excuses, they may
yeah,
be having situations which are pulling them back.
yeah.
So for them, any suggestion can you give them that how to overcome that from no start?
So, for example, here I like to share one thing. For example, I want to travel from Bangalore to Hyderabad. Okay. If I want to travel to Hyderabad and I am very much interested, I try to find the way, right? But I'm not interested, but I'm always telling that I want to see Hyderabad, I want to see Hyderabad. So, but I'm telling, but I'm not even coming out of my house. These people are called no starters. They keep on talking, but they are not at all interested. Okay, when they are not interested, they are least bothered about taking the actions.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Very wonderful information. Sir, why that type of mindset will be there for that people? Either they don't want to improve themselves or they just want to prove to the surrounding people, sir.
If a person wants to travel to Australia, okay, so he always tell, I will go to Australia, I want to go to Australia, but he won't even attempt to get a passport. Can he reach there? So basically he is not interested to go to Australia. Okay, so he is not ready to take any actions, but suddenly he cannot go and land in Australia, right? So these people are, they don't have any motivation to achieve anything or that. These are the people called no starters. Means they want someone to feed them, support them, or some luck, they depend on those lucks. These kind of things will go on. Whereas self starters and kickstarters, these people are, if someone guides them, okay, they are ready to change, okay, but they cannot do anything alone. For kickstarters, they cannot do anything alone. Okay, are you going to Australia? Then I will also come with you. So they try to take action then, but alone they have that fear, the self doubt, all these things will be there. And self starters are the people, they go through some process. Okay, they either they realize about the life, or they might upgrade their skills, or they might get amazing knowledge, understand what is their potential, and they called as self starters. And restarters are the people, whatever problem they come, they go all out. It's like, I want to go to Australia, alone or together, doesn't matter to them. So they always keep working towards those actions. They always focus on those things that plays one of the major role. So that is how we identify the people. If any person is saying the same thing for more than 3 months to 1 year, then he is a no starter. If a person is saying same thing, but if he is alone, but if someone is there, he is active. If he is alone, he is not active, then they are called as kickstarters. And some people are there, after 3 to 4 months of learning or process all these things, they suddenly change, the transformation will be there, and those people are called self starters.
Yes, let's check ourselves in which category we are today. It is time for to identify ourselves. Either we are into the no start, kick start, self start, restart. Thank you so much, sir.
Yeah, thank you. All the best. Thank you very much.